guys, we are on lesson 20, test 2, and it says page 41 at the bottom, 41. So this, because it's a test, it's not a test like you get points and you might fail or something like that. It's a test to see if you remember what we've worked on or if it's something that we need to go over again. So what I need you to do is when we get done with this, anything that you really struggled with, I need you to have mom email Miss Joy and let her know so we can work on them in class. Or you can tell Miss Joy in class that, you know what, I really struggled with number 4 or number 6 because it's 2 pages, okay? But I'm going to walk you through it a little bit, so you're going to have to push pause when we come to each section so you can complete them, okay? I'm just going to give you some directions. So let's jump right to it. Right here at number 1, you're writing how many hundreds you see here. You're writing the number here, how many tens you see, how many ones you see, and what that number would look like if it was written all together. Okay, so you're going to do that here and here. So push pause and do those 2 problems, and then come back when you're ready for number 2. Okay, if you're back with us, then you're ready for number 2, and you're supposed to write how many hundreds you see in this number, then how many tens you see in the number, how many ones you see in the number, and then this is when we pull it apart. Remember, when we pull those numbers apart, what does that look like? Okay, so go ahead and write your hundreds, your tens, your ones, and pull it apart. Do all of these right here, and then come back when you're ready to do number 3. So push pause, do those, and come back. All right, so if you're back with us, you are ready for number 3. And number 3, we're counting by tens. So you're telling me what 10 comes before 30 and what 10 comes after 30. So counting by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, right? Those. Okay? So counting by tens, what comes before the 30 and what comes after the 30. And when you come back, turn the page, we'll be on the next page, we'll be on number 4. Okay, so we'll be on page 42 when you come back. All right, so if you are back with us, you're on page 42. That means you have all of that last page done. Don't skip any, okay? Do your best. Now right here at number 4, it says circle the numbers larger than the first number in the row. So to start, you're just looking at this first row and you're just comparing the numbers in this on this line. So you're looking at the number 14 and you're circling any number that's larger or bigger than 14, okay? And then when you do the next one, you're only comparing the numbers in this row. And then you're only comparing the numbers in this row. And then the numbers in this row. Okay? Piece by piece. All right, so push pause, do number 4, all of these rows, and then come back when you're ready for number 5. All right, if you are back with us, you're ready for number 5. And on number 5, we're counting by 2s. So this is the one where we write one, skip one, write one. Write one, skip one, write one, right? Or maybe we know how to count by 2s now. 2, 4, 6, 8, right? All right, so write your 2s. Each 2 goes on a caterpillar body part, okay? All the way up to 32. So push pause and do that and come back when you're ready for number 6. All right, if you are back, you are ready for number 6, and this is addition. Yes, you may use your ruler for this if you need to, or you can catch them and keep counting. That's up to you how you want to do this. So do these problems and then come back when you're ready for number 7. Remember to push pause. All right, so if you are back with us, the number's in the blue, okay? So the digits, there's 3 digits that go together at a time. So these ones go together, these ones go together, okay? And then these ones go together. So when we're just looking at these ones, it says write the smallest 3-digit number possible. So what, out of these digits, what number do you want in the hundreds place, what number do you want in the tens place, and what number do you want in the ones place to make the smallest number possible? Not the biggest, the smallest, okay? So go ahead and do these sections in the blue, these ones right here. So you're going to end up creating a couple numbers. that have hundreds, tens, and ones. And then we're going to, down here on the yellow section, you're making the biggest number possible, the greatest number you can put out of using only those digits. Okay, so you can't, this one right here, you can only use the 3 digits listed. All right, and when you're done with this page, when you're done with 7 and 8, then you are done with this. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.